Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to give access to Instagram business page. Alright, let's get started. So over here you can see I am on my Facebook account, and here I have logged in to my Facebook page. So if you want to give access, what you have to do is first go to Meta Business Suite over here, and over here you can see I am logged in as my Facebook page, and my Instagram account is also linked with this Facebook page. All right, so on the left hand side you can see the option for settings. On the bottom left you can see the settings option, so click on this settings option. So once you reach this settings option, here you can see various options on the left hand side. So here, to give access to the Instagram business page, what you can do is you need to add some people in this account so that you'll be able to give access to the Instagram business page. So over here you can see there are two people right now who have full control of everything. So to give access, what you have to do is click on invite people, and over here you have to enter the email of the person that you want to give the access of Instagram business page to. So here enter their email, and you can even click on this option if you want to give them some temporary access. So once you have done that, click on next option, and here you can see more options such as partial access, apps integration, or if you want to give them full control of everything. So once you have managed that, click on next, and here you can see you can assign the business assets. So since we are giving the access to Instagram business page, what you can do is click on this Instagram account. So instead of Facebook that I've done there, you can just click on the Instagram. Now click on next. So here you can see the business assets is not assigned. Click on continue. So here you can see you have to give some details of what business tool do you want to give the access to. So let's select that and click next. So once you have done that, what you can do is simply select the send invitation button, and the invitation email will be sent to the person, and when the person accepts the invitation, they will get the access to Instagram business page. So that's it. That is how you will be able to give access to Instagram business page. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.